This week in Tech Tuesday, we talk about transfer learning. So what is transfer learning? It involves taking a neural network that was trained in one domain and using it for a related but separate domain. So why would we want to do something like that? There are two good reasons. One is to leverage the power of these intelligent, deep neural networks. Think about Siri, Google Assistant, self-driving cars. These are huge models trained on lots of data. The second reason is most small companies just don't have a lot of labeled data. So smaller companies can use these deep neural networks through this technology called transfer learning to leverage a lot of this power without having these huge labeled data sets. So I think I have a really good way of understanding how transfer learning works. When I got my new phone and my new computer, I had to have lots of these little dongles that go from USB to USB-C on the other side. Just like the picture here. And when I first looked at this, it took me less than a second to say, oh, it's a nice dongle, I know what it does. I didn't need it at the moment I got it, so I just set it aside. And then when I needed it, I knew right where it was and I could grab it and I knew what it would do. Now think about giving the same dongle to a 3-year-old child. If you can keep the 3-year-old from eating it, what's going to happen is that it's going to take years for the child to understand connections, the devices that get connected, what this dongle is for in any way at all. So transfer learning is, in this analogy, when I can pick this up and just look at it once and understand what it does, and then I know from then on out how to classify this object. Whereas the 3-year-old is going to have to go through a very, very long and dramatic learning process. So that's the best way I can think of to describe the power of transfer learning. At Bennett Data Science, we've used transfer learning across multiple different applications. From building a text-based travel recommender, to predicting product categories from massive e-commerce data sets, to detecting and counting animals in video, and even accurately predicting the style preferences of a person with just a single photo. I hope I've shown some of the ways where transfer learning has really helped companies go quicker to market with some very intelligent products. If you're interested in learning how we can help you with transfer learning and your products and your company, please get in touch. We'd love to talk to you. Thank you very much.